Welcome to this presentation on halls accommodation from the University of Southampton. In this presentation, we'll go over how to apply for halls of residence, fees related to our halls, and then also go over your options for both your first and subsequent years of study at the University of Southampton. Firstly, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Carl. I'm a Deputy Manager in Residential Services. So, what information do you need to know about applying for halls? Applying for halls accommodation couldn't be simpler thanks to our online portal, which you can access via any of your devices. Once you've registered for your account, you're ready to start selecting your preferences. You have to do a minimum of 3 accommodation preferences, but you can do up to a maximum of 5. For undergraduate students, as long as you get your application in before the 1st of August of your first year of study, you're guaranteed an offer of halls accommodation, and that's the same whether Southampton's your first or insurance choice. Once your place at university has been confirmed following exam results, we start to send out your accommodation offer. When you receive your offer, you have up to 4 days to accept. Our online portal makes applying for your new home really easy. We have accommodation contracts to meet your academic needs. For a majority of courses, you will require accommodation from late September until the following June or July. These are our 38 and 40-week contracts. However, we also cater for courses with placements and research projects for the summer. For those who may require an extension to your contract, we cater for this and you can apply for this around March each year. Those who require it can also apply for a 51-week contract. The large majority of our halls are single occupancy rooms, however we do have a limited supply of couples and family accommodation, although this is not covered by our accommodation guarantee. Whatever your course, we have accommodation contracts to suit you. You're probably wondering, what do our halls cost? On the screen you will see our table of fees showing you the range of weekly costs for both self-catered and part-catered accommodation. To explain what is meant by part-catered, we mean 2 meals on weekdays, brunch on a Saturday and lunch on a Sunday, and that's all included as part of the fees that you can see on the screen now. When you agree to your contract, your instalments are set out in front of you, so you know exactly what you need to pay and when you need to pay it, making it easy for you to budget. The prices you see include everything you need: your utilities, Wi-Fi, your Unilink bus pass, and also includes contents insurance, which covers your room. So again, it gives you everything that you require. So instead of worrying about bills and sorting out supplies for your internet and utilities, you can focus on your studies and hobbies, the things that matter most. Here at the University of Southampton Halls, students are at the heart of everything we do. From our 24-hour receptions and security and maintenance teams to our welfare services, we are here to support you. From application through to moving in and living with us, we want to make life as easy as possible for you. We have a large range of accommodation available with no deposits or guarantors required. With fantastic common spaces across all our sites and with easy access around the whole city, your convenience and experience is our aim every step of the way. We want you to make the most of your time at the University of Southampton. With our complete focus on your student experience, our halls are so much more than just a place to live. What happens beyond your first year? The great news is you have a lot of options available to you as a student in Southampton. You can come back into halls with all the benefits that brings, with the added ability to apply as part of a group of friends. Though not guaranteed, we offer a significant portion of our rooms to returning students each and every year. Secondly, Southampton has an abundance of private student housing. The competitive market puts students in a great position. If moving into a house with friends, use SASH to find properties. This collaboration between the University of Southampton, the local council and Solent University provides a free website assisting students in finding accredited and safe accommodation in Southampton. Lastly, there are also a number of private halls throughout the city. With so many accommodation options, you won't need to rush into signing a contract for your second year. Thank you for watching this video on the halls application process. If you'd like to get in touch, details are on screen. If you haven't already watched our video on what it's like living in University of Southampton halls, click the link on screen now. We hope to see you soon.